In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save only one page of a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're looking to isolate one specific page or just simplify your document, this guide will walk you through each step to get it done smoothly. To get started, you'll first need to open the PDF document you want to work with in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. When your document is open, turn your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled All Tools. Click on this button, which serves as your gateway to all of Acrobat's powerful functionalities. Once you're in the All Tools section, take a moment to find and click on Organize Pages. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to manipulate the layout of your document, seamlessly organizing or separating pages as needed. It's the perfect tool for achieving our goal today. Now, let's focus on specifying the pages you wish to extract. In this scenario, since we want to save just one page, simply identify that page and ensure it's selected. Look carefully at your page organization view. You'll notice an option labeled Page Options. Within this, you'll find Extract Pages. Go ahead and click on Extract Pages, and a prompt will appear. Before moving forward, consider whether you want to delete the original page from the document once it's extracted. You'll notice an option to do so. It's all about preference and the specific need you have for your document. Additionally, there is an option to extract the pages as separate files. This means if you decide to extract more than one page in the future, each will be saved independently, offering you more flexibility in handling the extracted pages. Now you're ready to click Extract. This action will create a new document featuring solely the pages you specified. In our illustrative scenario, since we're extracting one page, your new PDF will solely contain that single page. The final step involves saving this newly extracted document. Head over to the File menu, select Save As, and determine the location on your device where you'd like to store your document. Naming is key here. Be descriptive so that you can easily locate and identify your document when needed. And there you have it, a single page extracted from your original PDF, saved as its own file thanks to Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This straightforward process not only helps in focusing on the information you need, but also aids in sharing, printing, or archiving smaller parts of larger documents with ease. I hope this tutorial has equipped you with the confidence and knowledge to extract pages effectively. Keep exploring Acrobat's rich feature set for even more ways to manage your PDF documents effectively.